Hey friends, welcome to a world of ribbon enchantment. In today's video, we are going to create beautiful mesmerizing clover leaf designs using ribbons. We have made these leaves, used these leaves in this project, and today we are going to make it. So let's jump right in. The measurements for these leaves are 2.3 into 2 centimeters. Fold the ribbon in half vertically and then we'll start cutting it. The lower end would be narrower and the upper end would be quite wide. Then cut a small notch in the center of the ribbon. I think it's looking like a clover leaf, isn't it? Here we are going to burn the leaf now. First of all, I'm going to burn the inner corner, the point where the wide and the narrow portion meet together, and then I am going to burn the notch. After that, we are going to burn the wider portion of the leaf. If you are new on my channel, welcome here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. And here's a trick now. I am going to twist the narrow portion of the ribbon and then I'm going to burn it with the help of tongs. This way we are going to turn it into a stem because we need a very narrow and thin stem for the clover leaf. For giving a natural look to the leaf, I'm going to twist the ribbon, the wider part of the ribbon, and then I'm going to show it to the flame, but I am going to do it lightly because I don't want very deep impressions on the leaf. You can see these are 4 leaves and we are going to join them together. For this, I am going to use UHU glue. You can use any other glue of your choice if it's not available in your country. Put a thin line of glue on the side of one stem of the leaf, pick the other leaf up, hold these 2 leaves together and hold them for a while so that they can stick together properly. When I saw these colorful clover leaves for the first time, I was really surprised. I thought clover leaves were just green. I never thought they could be so colorful, and I decided to use these colorful clover leaves for my new project. And I hope you people are going to like it too. Tell me, do you like these colorful clover leaves or are you keen for the traditional green clover leaves? We are going to stick the purple clover leaves in the same way we have stuck the green ones. We are going to use the same method. If there's anything you need to ask, feel free to leave any question and suggestions in the comments below. Put a line of glue on the purple set of clover leaves, pick the green set of clover leaf up, hold these 2 sets of leaves together and you are going to have a complete clover leaf in your hand. Hold them together for a while so that they can stick properly. There you have it, the art of creating stunning clover leaf designs with ribbon. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of ribbon crafting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and add your own unique touch to these beautiful clover leaves. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating craft tutorials. I have used these leaves in this project and I have fulfilled my promise. But this is not the end. We are going to make a lot of art projects together. So friends, be with me, stay here and stay tuned for more.